Hello my dear subscriber and viewers, welcome back to my channel. So this channel only for who passed the CPC exams. Okay, when you complete CPC exam, you have to do CU monthly basis. Okay, so I'm going to show you where to take free CUs from AAPC web, our account itself. Okay, when you finish CPC exam, each 2 years once you have to submit CUs. So before one video I showed you where to check the total CUs and how to submit after 2 years. So every 2 years you have to submit CUs and every year you have to renew your AAPC membership. Okay, so if you will not do these two things, then your certificate will get invalid. Then again you have to write CPC exam. Okay, so whenever you clear your CPC exam, please do it free CUs from your AAPC account itself. So I'm going to show you how to check the CPC CUs from your account itself. It is free CUs, so each month one CU you will get it. Okay, in end of the video I will show you where to check how much CUs we have to submit end of the second year. Okay, so what is the end date for to submit the CUs and total CUs how much, these things I will show you in the end of the videos. This information I already shared in one video also, but again I will show you in the end of the video. Now we will check where to check and free CUs, where to take the that's test. Okay, so every month once you opened AAPC website, your account, you put your username and password, open this website account, AAPC account, and it will show your certification training event. This tabs it will show. If you are checking in a laptop, then it will show like here certification here, training and event here, and resource here, then software and service. Like that it will show the tabs. If you are checking from phone, it will show like this column wise. Okay, then you have to click on this training event. Okay, this one here, click on training and event. Then after that, come down, scroll down, you can find search for CUs. This is search for CUs. So please click on search for CUs. Once you click on, it will open like this page. Okay, here you need to open low cost CUs. So, okay, so click on low cost CU. After that, 4 tab will open. In that second one you have to click test yourself exercise. Okay, here click on the test yourself exercise. After that it will show the CUs. Okay, so each year 12 CUs it will open, each month 1 CU. Okay, so I will show you in 2023 totally 12 CU it should be there, but whenever this May month, the last year May month will disappear after that. Okay, when you cross April month 2024, then April month 2023 free CU will get disappear. So when you open this, please do it from the last year. Okay, so 2023 from the beginning month January, February, like that you have to do it. Okay, here January will got disappeared already, and February also, and March also. Now 2024 April going to start, so last year March will disappear, you will not able to do it. If it will show green color tick and test yourself, that means you can able to open this and you can complete questions, then you will get 1 CU. Okay, So each month you will get 20 CU. I will click on the April month 2024. Here April month 2024. So each month 20 CUs, 20 questions you will get. This is updated. Whenever AAPC, whenever coding related or billing related update will come, so each month this update related and guidelines things, it will come here as a questions. Okay, so each month 20 questions and multiple choice only. So this is 3 attempts, first 3 attempts. After 1 hour, again 3 attempts will open. After 1 hour, again 3 attempts will open. So each hours, 3 attempt you will get it. Okay. Once you click right answer, you have to grade. You have to click on the grade. Once you click on the grade, it will show here. So if it is any questions wrong answer, then it will show here out of 20 only 19 you got, so please try again. Okay, like that it will show. So once you get done everything, okay, and it will show you have successfully completed these examinations. So okay, if you want you can check get certification. So in here everything you will see, which month, what is the topic you done, then which date you attend the CU, then index number also you can check it. Okay, so once you complete this each month you will get the certification. No need to download it, because automatically whenever you complete this CUs, no, automatically you will save it, add one CUs in the your CU list. So no need to check the, no need to download this certification for future purpose. So when you finish this one CU, automatically from CU list it will add automatically. Whenever you attend free CUs from AAPC, then automatically this CUs will add in the list, then your total CU will get reduced. Okay, so then once you finish this, then again you go back. So go back, then again open 2023, then sorry, go back, open 2023. Once you finish April, then start with the May month. Then once you finish May month, then June. Like that each month will open 20 questions. So 20 questions you have to do it. Okay, after finish 2000 previous year, then start with this year, because this way will not appear until this year. So next year only January 1 by 1 will get disappear. You cannot able to complete this CU. Your CU will get waste. Okay, so don't waste your CUs, because you end of the CU submission time you will not able to get CUs free. So you have to purchase, or you have to do from any company's side, or you have to attend local chapter topics, then they will give the CU index. Like that you have to collect from your friend circle. So you will get struggled when end of the 2 years, if you didn't do this free CUs, so each month will get disappear, then your CU will get waste. So please utilize this free CU from your account itself. Okay, okay, yeah, I will show you total number of CUs, where to check. So once you click here, okay, then training, here this CU, no, when you open this tab here itself, you can find low cost CU. You click, you know, in that page itself you can see the CUs. So here 45 CUs due 2024 8th month I have to submit this 45 CUs. Okay, so click on the submit CUs, then it will show how many CUs you added, when you added, so how many CUs, which topic you added, like that every detail you can get here. Okay, so I like this, you scroll down, then in here end you can find record how many CEUs, total CEU you need. So total CEU is 45. So till date how many CEUs you completed? So I completed 24.550 CEUs. Remaining CEUs I need to collect 20 CEUs. I have to add 20 CEUs. Okay, so once I added all 20 CEUs, when your date will come, okay, when this submit tab will open, no, so here you can see this date trace. This date, this tab will open. After that only you can submit this CEU. Okay, so please do it. When whoever passed the CPC exam, so you need to do these activities, and you have to maintain the CEUs, and you have to renew your AAPC account. If you joined any companies, they will renew your AAPC account, but you have to take care about your CEUs only. Okay, so I hope this will understand, and one more time I will show you where to check it. Once you log in this page, AAPC account, your account, you have to click on the training and event. After this, search for CEUs. Here search for CEUs. Click on the search for CEUs. Then once you click on the CEUs, scroll down, you will find the low cost CEUs. So click on this low cost CEUs. After that, test yourself. Okay, this tab you have to click, test yourself. Then you will find the list of the CEUs. Okay, so do it from last year, last month. Okay, so you have to start from the April month last. So when if it is a green color, test yourself tab will show, that one you can able to attend the CEUs. So once you attend each month, then you can check the CEUs. Go back, and in this page itself, scroll down, then click on the submit CEU. Okay, so click on the submit CEU, then it will open the total number of CEU, how many CEUs you entered, remaining how many CEUs you have to do it, and what is the end date to submit the CEUs. These things you will get from this page. Okay, so due date of the CEUs you will get here. Here it will show the total CEUs and due date CEUs. So how many CEUs you enter, these things from down you can check here, enter the CEUs. So okay, so please do it, these activities. If you have any doubt, please comment, and if you feel this video is useful, please share to your friends also. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much, guys.